Hey guys, back with the 2008 Yamaha R6. This is going to be the last video on the bike. Today's video is going to be a price reveal. Don't always do these. I thought it'd be kind of cool to do it this one because this was probably the bike I bought the most parts for out of any project I've ever had. So that'd be kind of cool to do a price reveal on this one. I have a buyer coming to pick it up this morning. So it's sold. It's going to its new owner. I barely even rode it once, like 2 miles down the road, and on my first ride, the radiator actually started leaking. There it is. I don't know how I missed it, but it was actually bent bad. Now you can see it obviously a lot more now that it's off the bike, and the fan was actually seized up. This one doesn't spin. That one still works, but this one's actually bent up on it. There was a hole in the radiator, so I had to tear the bike all the way back apart, drain the coolant, put the new radiator on there, fill it back up with coolant. It runs really good now, no issues at all. And I went ahead and I fixed the throttle issue I had before. It was sticky. Snaps right back now, like it should. I got the blinkers, everything working like it should. So this bike is ready to go. Needs nothing except maybe the frame sliders on this side were obviously removed, so I told the new buyer it's probably gonna need a new frame slider at some point to keep this side safe. This side still has its frame sliders. And I think the bike will need new fork seals eventually. They are leaking a little bit. That's the one thing I wanted to do, but I didn't get a chance to even do it, so. All right, without further ado, let's just get through the parts here. I got a list of them. Starting with the actual bike itself, when I bought it, in its state that it was in, I paid $2,000 for it from a guy right here in my state. I think I drove about 2 hours away to get it. Had to rent a van. The van was $129 to fill the van up with gas. There and back was $49. Gas is a lot more now. This is about a year ago, so had to buy a brand new gas tank for it. Obviously the tank was toast. That was kind of a big item. $409.55 for the tank. Bought the new clip-ons for it. That was $37. New subframe. The subframe was destroyed when I bought it. That was $173.84. Had to buy a new kill switch for it. That was $19.08. Had to buy foot pegs. This one was destroyed. That was $7.41. Bought levers for the bike. Those are $30.73. I wired in that third light right there. That was $20.49. Titling the bike in my name, 60 bucks at the Secretary of State. Had to weld the tank bracket underneath there that holds the tank. Guy locally did that for me for $20. Had to buy an intake sensor. It goes inside there. Bike didn't have one. That was $36.12. Ended up having to replace the fuel pump inside the gas tank. That was $143.09 for a used one. Had to replace the fairing stay up here. $32.81. Went ahead and bought an exhaust. That was $100. Got these pads here for the triple in the tank, $24.36. Got the new tail light. That was $29.68. The entire fairing kit I bought for the bike, I got on eBay. With shipping, it was $575.78. Got brand new OEM headlights for the bike. Those are $100 shipped. Got the blinkers for it. Those were $11.65. Bought new spark plugs for the bike. Those were $36. Ended up replacing the battery because the battery was just kind of junk. That was 90 bucks. Replaced the rear seat. It didn't come with one. That was $23.85. The front seat was just not in good state, so I replaced that, 31 bucks. Had to buy bulbs for the headlights. Those are $38. Got these tank decals right here. Gold to match the gold theme, 16 bucks. The radiator, $85 on eBay. Found it from a local guy. Really good deal. Shipped to my house, so that was not bad. Bought new grips for it. Those were $25. And I ended up needing to buy replacement cush drives inside the rim. Those were only 10 bucks. So all in all, adding up all those parts, total of the bike comes to about $4,500 with bike and parts. So my budget going into it was $3,500, so I blew past my budget by about $1,000. And luckily Yamaha went and discontinued this bike, so the value of it skyrocketed. Kind of worked out in my favor. So I just had to list it for sale, and I mean I sold it within 2 days of having it listed for sale, so couldn't pass up that opportunity on the value of them skyrocketing. So kind of got lucky there, because I think when I bought the bike a year ago, it was probably valued at about $5,000, so I really wouldn't have been making much money selling it. So like I said, I'm selling it this morning actually, and he's paying $6,800 for it. Like I said, I'm at about 45, so I'll be making a decent profit on the bike. Don't normally make profits on my rebuilds. Usually it's like a break-even kind of thing, or just make a couple $100. So see a nice profit on this bike. Definitely worth the money. I think he's really gonna enjoy it. Sad to see it go, but we'll be on to the next R6. Thank you for watching.